Hello, this is Dr. Christy Patton-Lukes, a chemical engineering professor at Missouri S&T. In this video lesson, we're going to talk about a couple of different ways that you can enter functions in MATLAB. So there are three different ways we're going to look at, and the first of these is called an anonymous function. An anonymous function, you just enter, so if I wanted to say f equals, let's do just x squared minus 1, that's a simple one. What you're going to do is say f equals, and then you need to tell it what the variable is. So at parenthesis x, so that identified the variable. And then now then our function is x squared minus 1. And I'll put a semicolon there. Okay, don't want it to repeat that one. And then I could use this, so f of 3, and the answer is 8. Okay, so that's one way. It's called an anonymous function. So just like an author being anonymous. The next way is an inline function. And to do this one, what you want to do is you're going to type, well, let's see, what was I doing? X squared minus 1. So function 2, okay, equals inline, and then you just type your function out in single quotes. X squared minus 1, and then a parenthesis, and then your variables, and this time it goes in single quotes. So not in parenthesis, it's in single quotes. Okay, and I forgot to do a semicolon at the end, and again I can check this, f of 3, and it gives me the same answer. So those are the two that I can do just running straight from the command window. The third is going to require us to write our first little program in MATLAB. Now, to do a program, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to New Script. So New Script, push that, and then it brings up this editor over here. And in the editor, what I need is I need a function, and the command for that is function. And then we'll name it y equals my function. My func is usually what I use. The variable is x. Indent a little for clarity, and then y equals, what was I doing? X squared minus 1. And then I'm going to unindent and then type end. Okay, so now that I've done that, I want to save this. So I'll just hit save, and then I'm going to name it. So my func, it matches what I had called my program over there, and then I'm going to save it, and generally it's in the right place, but you just want to make it sure that it's going to your working documents. And so I say save, and now then I want to come back to my command window, so I can close that up. And now then in my command window, if I say my func of 3, I get the answer 8. So those are three different ways that I can enter a function in MATLAB. And we will be making use of the program style in doing our lessons for these next few weeks. Thank you very much for your time.